absorb some, and then we're going to come back because we got to add the heavy whipping cream. Welcome to Talisha's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make some grits. And what you'll need for this is some grits, some butter, cheese, and some heavy whipping cream, and some salt and pepper. But we'll get to it. I have on the stove, the water is about to be boiling. So once it comes to a boil, we're going to come back. I'm going to add you some butter. Depends on how much it is. That's like a half a stick. And trust me, you're going to need some more butter because I like butter. So go ahead and let that melt and boil, bring to a boil. Then we follow the instructions to tell you how much servings to do with the water size and the amount of grits you put it in. I just recommend you put in an extra cup of water to whatever they say. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my grits in here. I'm so used to it, I eyeball mine. And you're going to need you one of these. So give that a good stir. Let that come to a boil. We'll let it absorb some, and then we're going to come back because we got to add the heavy. If you add the heavy whipping cream in this now, it'll take longer to cook, but just trust me on it. So go ahead and let this cook down some. Then we're going to add the heavy whipping cream. So now we're going to add our heavy cream. I would say about a half a cup. It depends on, not even a half a cup. Depends on how much you have. You know, just sprinkle some in there. So you want to constantly keep stirring this. You can put a lid on it, but you want to constantly keep stirring it. Keep your eye out on it, but let it stir. Stir with your thing. Just constantly watch out for it. As you can see, they kind of thicken it up. So make sure you just keep stirring. I turned it down low. You still got to wait till it's thicken up some more. Then we're going to add the cheese and salt and pepper last. But make sure you keep doing this, honey, because it will stick at the bottom. Okay, we're going to add some salt, salt, and black pepper to your taste. It is. Okay, now let's get ready to add our cheese. Now I'm going to use Gouda cheese. Cheese is optional. You know, you can go ahead on with the salt and pepper, but the finishing is not done because once we add this in there, we're going to let this cook. Then we're going to take it off the stove and cover it, and then we're going to come back and your grits should be ready. So go ahead and drop your cheese. Go ahead and melt this, and then we'll come back. Let this cook down for like 3 more minutes, and then take it off the stove and cover it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then your grits will be ready. But see, they are already thick, but it's going to thicken up once you put a lid over it. So go ahead and finish those last steps and come back, because our grits is thick. That's how you want them. So I made some smothered chicken, so I am going to put this on a plate and come back. That's how you know you gotta do some thick grits, baby. Go ahead and taste these. Look how thick. This is thick grits, baby. This is how you want them to be. These grits taste so good. I'm about to top it off with some chicken. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and taste this grits with this gravy, honey. This tastes so good. I'm about to smash this. This is how you make grits, you guys. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe below, and let me know how you make your grits. But this is how you make some thick, good grits. Follow the instruction, like, comment, and share. Everyone have a blessed day. Thank you for tuning in with Talisha's Kitchen.